Hey, thanks for stopping by. I'm Donna Van Varick with Coldwell Banker Residential Brokerage, and we're here at my newest listing on Lake Lanier at 3470 Strawberry Lane in Cumming, Georgia. Come on in and take a look. Inside, this open concept home with vaulted ceilings offers a wall of windows to bring the amazing outdoors in, and features 6 bedrooms, 5.5 baths, and over 4,100 square feet above grade. Terrace level offers an additional 2,700 square feet of finished space, encompassing an additional kitchen, family room, movie room, an indoor heated saltwater pool with endless swim and waterfall feature. Located in an alcove off the open water of Young Deer Cove, this South Lake estate, with almost 3/4 acres of its own, also comes with road maintenance and grandfathered driving rights around the peninsula of an additional 2 acres of core land. There is plenty of space for all the water toys with a 32 by 32 double slip party deck with dual jet ski ports and electric.